Hi, welcome back. We're going to be drawing this Herod's Temple floor plan today. First, on the paper, we put it in portrait mode and then we will draw a square, a big square at the bottom of the page, followed with a long rectangle attached to the top. And then we're going to draw a bigger rectangle vertically at the top, stacked on top like Lego. After that, we will draw two little short lines on the left side and two more on the right side to create a long rectangle in the center of the middle rectangle. Once we've done that, we will draw a big upside down letter T. And it's actually a long rectangle sideways, followed with a big longer rectangle at the top, kind of like a letter T upside down. And then we'll draw the staircase. That's the staircase right underneath in the center part. Now imagine yourself as an architect. You're building this temple for the priests and the whole Israelites. So we have to plan everything very nicely. So we're going to be drawing the following parts one at a time. And there are different functions to each shape. And I'll explain it at the end. We'll put names to them, but for now we can just follow the shapes. At the bottom of this big letter T, we're going to draw a little square, and on the left side of the square we draw a small square, and then above this we're going to draw a small circle. Now onto the right side, we'll draw three small rectangles side by side. So now we have done the top part. We're going to be working on the bottom part. At the bottom part, we're going to start from the top left corner. We'll draw sort of like a square shape, but not all the way to the left side, left line. Then we're going to draw a vertical line coming downward, and then drawing another square on the bottom left corner. We repeat the same on the right side. And at the top center, right in between those rectangles, I'm going to draw more like an upside down rainbow so you can see all the curves in there. I have a total of 5 lines, but you can have more. Now that we finished the bottom part, we're going to work on the outside. We'll need to draw 6 squares. First one, I start with the middle part on the left, and then bottom 2 corners, and then the top 2 corners. Don't forget one more on the right side. I forgot about it, but don't forget about the last one. And then we will connect all the squares together with another long vertical line to connect each of them. Time to explain what each shape stands for or symbolize. So the first one is the big T, upside down T. That's the sanctuary. This is the holy place where the priest goes in here. And then the circle is the lava where the water is. And then the square underneath it is the altar. On the right here with the 3 little rectangles is the slaughter tables where the priest makes sacrifices. Now that we finished the top, let's go to the bottom part. The squares on the corners, they are chamber of oils and chamber of lepers. And then on the bottom corner, left corner is the chamber of Nazarites, and on the right is the chamber of wood. The top portion of the floor plan is the priest court, while the bottom half of the floor plan is the women's courtyard. Now of course, this is a very simple floor plan of Herod Temple, and it's so important back in the days. So I hope you have a better understanding of how the temple looks like, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.